Today I'm going to show you how I made over $1,200 by posting videos on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So about 2 months ago, I posted this video. It received a lot of traffic, a lot of people who wanted to know how they could make money with Facebook, how they could make money with Facebook ad breaks. Now, if you don't know what Facebook ad breaks is, I suggest you watch this video. I'm going to post a link in the description of this video so you can see exactly how it works and how you can start making money by uploading videos on Facebook. This video is simply a follow-up video to that specific video. It's been about 2 months or a month and a half already. And I've been posting videos on my Facebook pages. I don't have the monetization on all my Facebook pages, but on the ones that I do have the Facebook video monetization, I've been able to make some money. So I'm going to show you some of those results in this video. I'm also going to show you some resources that you can use where you can buy videos, viral videos that you can use on your Facebook pages legally without any issues, and how you can make money from those videos. If you're posting videos on YouTube with the goal of making money, now you can also do it on Facebook. So if you're not using Facebook to make money with video, you're pretty much leaving money on the table. I want to show you exactly how many views I've been receiving over the past 7 days or 28 days. I'm also going to show you the income proof for that amount. And keep in mind that most of the views that I'm getting are basically from new videos that I've been uploading to those Facebook pages because I don't have all my videos monetized. But it is definitely proof that you can make money with the Facebook Ad Breaks program. This is simply completely separate to Facebook Instant Articles, which is a way for you to make money by blogging basically on Facebook, by sharing content on Facebook using your own blog. So if you want to know how to make money with Facebook, I suggest that you download my free affiliate marketing guide by going into the description below. I'm going to post a link to it. You can download it for free. You can learn all about Facebook Instant Articles and how you can make money with affiliate marketing. So with that said, let's jump into my computer. All right, guys, so I'm inside my Facebook Creator Studio for one of my business manager accounts, and I have basically multiple Facebook pages under multiple business managers accounts. Now, if you don't know what business manager is, strongly recommend that you go on Google and search for business manager. It's a way for you to manage all your pages on Facebook under one specific account, so you can view your entire stats from multiple Facebook pages from just one place. And that's exactly what you're seeing right now. And this is the Creator Studio where I can see the analytical information from views, engagements, and minutes, and all that stuff. So this is from multiple Facebook pages right now. I believe it's about 4 Facebook pages. As you can see, in the last 7 days, we had about 651,000 views. I'm going to switch this to last 28 days. And as you can see, in the last 28 days, that was about 3 million views. Now, keep in mind that not all of these views are monetized. This is from multiple Facebook pages, and not all of those Facebook pages have the video monetization turned on. And that's how many views I've been able to get across multiple Facebook pages over the last 28 days. Now, I wish I had monetization for all of those views because that would represent a very large chunk of money, but I don't. So basically, I had to work with new videos and being able to monetize those new videos in order to make money. So I'm going to show you the earnings section right now for the same period, the past 28 days. And as you can see, I'm going to blur this information out because you're not supposed to show the RPM and all that information. But as you can see, the estimated earnings for the past 28 days is about $1,234. So that's not real. That's not bad. We only have a few videos that are actually monetized on those Facebook pages. Some of those videos got thousands of views, which is a large chunk of this money. But most of the views that I'm getting right now on my Facebook pages are not getting monetized. So with time, as we get more videos uploaded to the Facebook pages and we get monetization, I estimate that this number will increase, and that could represent another 5,000 or more money, or $10,000 per month just with Facebook video alone. That's not even counting Facebook Instant Articles. So it is definitely possible to make money with Facebook video. And I'm going to show you right now what you can do to start making money with Facebook video. Now, again, if you haven't watched my previous video, go watch it because it shows you how you can get monetization for your Facebook pages and what you need to know in order to qualify. So just go and watch that video first. So after you have your video monetization on your Facebook page, you need content. You need to post a lot of content to your Facebook page. I would post at least 2 to 3 videos per day to your Facebook page because that's going to help you grow and that's going to help you get more views and hopefully help you make more money. You never know which video is going to go viral. And the thing about Facebook is videos tend to go viral a lot faster than on YouTube, because you can simply share that video and hundreds of your friends and family and thousands of people can watch that video simply because someone shared that video. So it is definitely easier to go viral on Facebook than it is on YouTube. So where do you find the content for those Facebook pages? Well, one of the places that you can look for is Viral Hog. You can buy viral videos. You can license viral videos that you can use for your Facebook page. And what I recommend you to do is that if you're going to buy viral content on any of these websites, you can see they have newest videos which you can license and you can use on your own Facebook page. You can add your own logo to those videos. You can make it unique in a way that that video feels unique. You could do a compilation if you wanted to. It is definitely a way for you to find videos that might go viral on your Facebook page depending on the category or your Facebook page. So the best way is to niche down. That means that you create a Facebook page that's about one specific topic and you try to find as many videos as you can on that specific topic. So another page is Junkin Media. So let's say you have a page about golden retrievers. So let's say, or dogs in general. Well, this is a video that you can buy because you're buying the license to use that video on your Facebook page. So this is an example, but you can go and you can view hundreds of videos which you can license on Junkin Media and you can buy to use on your own page. Now, Storyful is another place where you can find a ton of videos. You can see you can search by categories, pets, news, weather, and you can typically find any type of video that you might be looking for. You can find it on Storyful and you can license that video and use it on your own page. VideoElephant.com is another website. As you know, big pages on Facebook like Now This, most of the views that they get are from videos that they haven't actually created. They're pretty much just doing the same thing, licensing videos from other sources, and they are putting their logo, making it unique, and those videos get thousands and thousands of views, sometimes millions of views, and they are able to monetize that content. So you're pretty much doing the same thing. In fact, if you go down, you can search for the video library. If you go to the video library, you can see that it tells you, you can preview the video if you want on HD. You can search by categories and you can find those videos that you might want to use on your Facebook page that are more likely to go viral on Facebook. Now, let's say that you don't have money to invest in this type of thing and you don't have the money to buy videos or to buy licensed videos on any of these sites. Well, you can do, you can find those videos on YouTube and you can, for example, funny pet videos, as you can see, they typically what they do is they buy licensed videos and they do compilations and then they upload those videos on YouTube, and that's how they're able to grow their channel and get more views and make more money. But if you find a video on YouTube that you really want to post on your Facebook page and you have a Facebook page with 5,000, 10,000 likes or more, You can comment on that video and say, hey, I have a page with 10,000 followers on Facebook that would love to see this video. Would you mind if I post this video and I give you credit to your YouTube channel so they can come back to your YouTube channel if they want to see more? Most people, most channel owners will say yes, because that means more exposure to them. So basically you're asking them for permission to use their video, post it on your Facebook page. That typically means that you can even monetize that specific video. If you have permission from the owner, then it's a win-win. They're getting more exposure to their channel, and you're making money, and you're getting views, and you're getting a bigger audience using someone else's video. Now, there's also something else that you can do. You can filter and you can look for created comments to search for videos that you can use on Facebook without giving anyone any permission or asking for permission from the video owner. You can also do that. But typically, like I said, you can find those viral videos on YouTube, or I would suggest looking for YouTube channels that have just a few hundred subscribers and they have really good videos and they're trying to grow their channel. You can say, hey, listen, I'll post your videos on my Facebook page with 1,000 likes or 10,000 likes or 50,000 likes. The more likes you have on your Facebook page, the more likely they are to say yes, because they want to get traffic to their YouTube channel. So you can post that video and you'll give them credit. And like I said, it's a win-win for both. So this is how you find video content on the web that goes viral, especially for Facebook. This works better for Facebook because on Facebook, things tend to go viral a lot easier than on YouTube. So if you want to grow your Facebook page to 10,000, I would say that find as many videos as you can in your niche, start posting videos, make sure that you have permission if you're using someone else's video, or if you just simply want to post viral videos and you want to use a viral video, you can use any of the sites that I just mentioned to buy a licensed video that have more chances to go viral on your Facebook page. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. And like I said, all the resources for everything that I mentioned in this video are going to be found in the description below. You can check out the sites where you can buy the content, you can buy the videos, which you can use on your own Facebook pages. And I don't suggest that you simply just grab any video and just post it on your Facebook page. It has to be on a niche page. If you have a niche page of talking about animals, if you have a page that talks about sports or viral stories, then video is definitely the best way to grow on Facebook. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week with the intention to helping you make money online, start a business, or succeed in your current business. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.